Hello everyone.
Nazi imponi zihlaza ngazi thubani ifayela ngazi phalaphala report into enjalo ubonakale eyithuntuthu yazi ukuthi ibhanoyi kwenzekani kwasuka ukukhuluma awavulwa amasango ejele ona.
The IEC is still counting votes and it seems like the ANC won't come back strong. Here is the latest update. The national vote results as of 7 o'clock, ANC is still ahead, DA in second position, Umkhonto weSizwe Party in third position and EFF in fourth. These are the results from the national level. The ANC got 1,743,741, which is about 42.19%. The DA is number 2 at about 24.88%. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is sitting at 9.17%. Number 4 is the Economic Freedom Fighters, which is sitting on 9.3%, followed by Patriotic Alliance, which is sitting at about 3.55%. After PA, we've got Inkatha Freedom Party, which is sitting at about 2.38%. Then we have a VF Plus, which is sitting at 1.84%. Action SA is sitting at 0.87%. ACDP is at 0.63%. UDM is at 0.52%. The results from the provinces: Northern Cape, the ANC is leading again is sitting at 46.77%. The DA is number 2, sitting at 23.94%. The Economic Freedom Fighters is sitting at 11.16%. The Patriotic Alliance is sitting at about 10.21%, followed by VF Plus, that is sitting at 2.8%. Then you have your NCCM, that is sitting at about 1.76%. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is sitting at about 0.71%. Good is sitting at about 0.53%. Action SA is at about 0.51%. Hope SA is sitting at 4.8%. The province of KwaZulu-Natal, Umkhonto weSizwe Party is also leading. IFP is number 2, then ANC comes at the third position. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is leading by 43.7%, followed by Inkatha Freedom Party, that is sitting at about 20.61%. The African National Congress is sitting at number 3 at about 20.29%. Followed by DA, that is on 8.96%. Then you've got your EFF, which is about 2.37%. The NFP is at 1.11%. ACDP at about 0.29%. APEMO sitting at 0.25%. VF Plus sitting at 0.2%. Then lastly, you've got your PA, which is sitting at about 0.2%. The province of Western Cape, the DA is doing very well also. The DA is number 1, sitting at 51.61%. African National Congress is number 2, sitting at 21.13%, followed by PA, sitting at 10.8%. Then you have your Economic Freedom Fighters, sitting at 3.95%. Triple C is sitting at 2.5%. VF Plus is at 1.73%. Al Jama is sitting at 1.38%. Good is sitting at 1.35%. The ACDP is sitting at 1.19%. ARA is sitting at 0.5%. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is in the lowest and has received 0.49%. The Gauteng province, ANC is also winning there. DA took the second position. EFF is on the third position and Umkhonto weSizwe Party in the fourth. The ANC is sitting at 33.93%, then followed by DA number 2 at 30%. Number 3 is EFF sitting at 12.35%. Umkhonto weSizwe Party is sitting at 9.2%. followed by Action SA, which is 3.57%. The VF Plus is 2.87%. The Patriotic Alliance is at 1.72%. RISE is at 0.88%. ACDP is at 0.81%. Inkatha Freedom Party is at 0.78%. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.